Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Brevo, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a Brevo account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sign up for a Brevo account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to stay in touch with your users and your customers, and with Brevo, you can automate a lot of that process. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your brevo.com website. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there, but I've already pulled up their website. Now, in order to sign up and create a Brevo account, you want to click here, sign up for free, or here on the top right. Okay, once you do that, it's going to bring you to the register screen. So here is where you can go ahead and create your account. So they do ask you to enter an email and a password, or if you want, you can sign up using your Apple or Google login. I don't really like to do that, so I'm going to go ahead and enter my email and then create a password and then click on create account. Okay, I entered in the required information. I'm going to click here, create an account. Okay, next, Brevo did send me an email confirmation, so I need to click on that link to verify my email. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, next, Brevo brings you to this page. So you want to go ahead and create your account by entering your first name, your last name, company name, and your website. If you don't have a website, you can go ahead and check this little box right here and then click on continue. Okay, next you want to go ahead and enter in your company address. So this will be used with your email forms. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that information in off screen. Okay, next, Brevo is going to ask you a series of questions to help set up your account. So first, how many people are on your team? So I'm going to go ahead and say 0 to 1. How many contacts do you have? Let me go ahead and say 1 to 500. Do you sell online? Yes. And then here you can go ahead and choose if you want to receive marketing emails from Brevo. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to click on continue. Okay, next, Brevo asks for your phone number. This is to set up two-factor authentication for your account. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my phone number in. Okay, now Brevo is going to send me a text message to confirm my account. So let me go ahead and send that out now. Okay, I just received a verification code from Brevo, so I'm going to enter that in here. Okay, I'm going to click on verify. Okay, so next, Brevo brings you here to the pricing plan. So you want to go ahead and choose whichever one applies to you. So they do have a free plan, but it is quite limited. So you can only send up to 300 emails per day. So go ahead and look through here and see which one applies to the size of your business. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and just choose the free plan. Okay, just a quick second later, it brings me here to the home screen in my Brevo. So I can go ahead and start setting up my email campaigns, my text message, WhatsApp campaigns here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a Brevo account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.